dear students, all of you. So, my dear students, in previous lecture we studied about the block number 8. Our block name is the 8th block name is the rules and community life. In this block we study the lessons 1 to 4, like the planning our work. In that lesson we study how we do the plan of our work, the rules in a school. You know that the which rules we obey in the school or which rules we follow in the school, as well as need for rules and making rules for the household. Okay? So my dear students, today we study about the new block, the block number 9. Block name is road transport in social science. What is our block name? Road transport. Lesson number 1. What is our lesson name? Types of roads. Today we study about the different types of roads. So my dear students, look at the figure number 1 and figure number 2 and tell me what do you see in this picture. In the first picture, mud road or the kacha road. Mud road is always called the kacha road. Mud road is always called the kacha road, and the concrete road or pakka road. Means that the concrete road is always called the pakka road. Okay? So my dear students, here we write the some difference between the mud road or concrete road or kacha road or pakka road. Okay? So please all students look at the blackboard. This is a very important point, and each student please write down these points in your notebook. Rough. Mud road is a rough. Mud road कसा असतो नेहमी? हा rough असतो. The concrete roads are the smooth. Concrete roads कसे असतात? Smooth असतात. This is the first difference. Second difference, the mud roads mostly found in the villages and concrete roads mostly found in the cities. जे mud road आहेत ते विलेज मध्ये सापडतात, तर जे concrete road आहे ज्याला पक्का रोड म्हटलं जातं तो सिटी मध्ये सापडतो. Then the mud roads are the narrow and concrete roads are the wide. जे mud road असतात ते रुंदीला कमी असतात, concrete road असतात ते wide असतात. Mud roads are difficult to travel on and concrete roads are easier to travel. जे mud road असतात त्यांच्यावरती ट्रॅव्हलिंग करणं खूप जड जातं, अवघड असतं, पण जे concrete roads आहेत त्याच्यावरून ट्रॅव्हलिंग करणं खूप इझी असतं. Then connect nearby places. The mud roads always connect nearby places. जवळच्या ठिकाणी ते रोड्स जोडलेले असतात and concrete roads connect distant places. मग जे concrete roads आहेत ते distant places ला जॉईन केलेले असतात. So my dear students, first of all I read the lesson. Listen carefully and all students put your finger on each word. Okay? So let's start. We travel to many places in our daily lives. Most of us use roads to go from one place to another. आपण आपल्या डेली लाईफ मध्ये खूप अशा ठिकाणी ट्रॅव्हलिंग करत असतो आणि ट्रॅव्हलिंग करत असताना म्हणजे एका जागेवरून दुसऱ्या जागी जात असताना आपण रोडचा वापर करत असतो. रोड म्हणजे रस्ता. So earlier we only had a mud roads or kacha road. पूर्वीच्या काळानंतर in many years ago, before many years ago, खूप वर्षापूर्वी जे रस्ते असायचे ते मड रोड असायचे किंवा कच्चे रस्ते असायचे, नॉट अ कॉन्क्रीट रोड, मड रोड. The mud roads are mostly narrow and rough. मड रोड आहे ते नॅरो असतात आणि रफ असतात, म्हणजे ओबडधोबड असतात, त्याच्यावरून ट्रॅव्हलिंग करणं खूप अवघड असतं. It is difficult to travel on them, especially when it rains, as they become filled with water. ज्या वेळेला पावसाळा असतं त्यावेळी त्या चिखलामध्ये भरलेली असतात, चिखल असतो आणि त्यामुळे ते ट्रॅव्हलिंग करणं खूप अवघड जातं, तिथे पाणी साठून राहतं. Later people started making the concrete or of cement, sand, stone, sand, water used to make a road. Concrete road means that the पक्का road. पण त्यानंतर people काय करायला लागले, पक्क्या रस्त्याचा वापर करू लागले. The concrete roads are smoother than the mud roads. मग हे कॉन्क्रीट रोड्स आहेत ते मड रोड पेक्षा कसे स्मूथ होते, त्याच्यावरून ट्रॅव्हलिंग करणे इझी जाऊ लागलं. पावसाळ्यामध्ये ज्या काही डिफिकल्टी निर्माण व्हायच्या त्या बंद झाल्या. टुडे मोस्ट ऑफ द रोड्स आर मेड ऑफ सिमेंट और कॉन्क्रीट. आणि आताचे जे काही रोड्स आहेत ते मोस्टली सिमेंट आणि कॉन्क्रीटचे रोड्स आहेत. समटाइम्स रोड्स गेट potholes and becomes difficult for us to travel on them. So, pothole means that the big hole in a road. जे रोडमध्ये होल असतं, खड्डा असतो, त्याला pothole असं म्हणतात. Sometimes road gets potholes and it becomes difficult for us to travel on them. आणि अशा ठिकाणी ट्रॅव्हलिंग करणं खूप डिफिकल्ट होतं. Wide roads that connect the towns, cities and states are called the highway. What is meant by highway? Highway means wide roads that connect towns, cities and states are called the highways. Like this. This is the highway. Okay? So the biggest and widest highways are the national highway. सगळ्यात मोठा आणि रुंदीला जास्त असणारा हायवे असतो त्याला नॅशनल हायवे असं म्हणतात. त्याला NH4 असंही म्हटलं. Then vehicles can move faster on the highway. आणि ज्या गाड्या आहेत त्या हायवेवरून जात असतात फास्ट. So my dear students, as per this lesson, today we study about the differentiation between the mud road and concrete road or the kacha road and pakka. Are you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So my dear students, look at the question 1. With your partner, look at the figure question 1 and 2 and answer the questions. On which road we can travel faster and why? So on the concrete road. Question 2. Write two differences between two roads shown in the picture. म्हणजे फिगर 1 आणि फिगर 2 दाखवलेला आहे त्याच्यामध्ये two differences like this. The mud road are the rough and concrete road are the smooth. Mud road mostly found in villages and concrete road mostly found in cities. You write any two differences. Question C. Which road will be difficult to use when it rains and why? So, the mud road will be difficult to use when it rains because in the rainy season on this road the water and the mud is present. Okay. So my dear students, already I gave the answers of question 1. So you